So last year, this is the one I found in the woods. It's a fixer-upper. But this is the kind of stuff that I drag out of the woods and build. Most people would look at this and be like, that's a piece of junk full of bullet holes, but I'd put it back together. It's not that bad. A little bit of Bondo. A little bit of paint. Maybe some interior, glass,
Maybe.
frame, motor, tranny.
I don't know if it needs that much.
This is a turnkey operation. What are you talking? It might need a tune-up.
Maybe. Yeah.
I think if we check the oil, it should be fine.
Yeah, I think that's all it needs.
Lily says it's cool. She's ready to go for a ride.
Yeah, she's ready to jump in.
You good with that, Lily? Huh? You ready?